Joovy's here again, 3 o'clock. I hope y'all are joining us. Thanks again for joining us. If you've already watched our lives, and if you are just now joining us for the first time, we appreciate it. I'm Michelle. I'm a product expert with Joovy, and today we're going to go over our new product that we're super excited about. It's not a baby product. It's an adult product. I would call it an adult product. And it's called the Boot X2. You guys have probably heard about our boot. It's the single boot, but now we've doubled the fun, and it's been released. So we're going to do an open box. I'm going to completely open it and put it together with you guys and show you how easy it is. So let's get to it. All right. So when you open it, you'll have this bag. Just lift out the boot. I like to lay it down. Take it out of its bag. All right. So once you get the bag off, you will have some zip ties and other pieces of foam and whatnot surrounding some of this to protect it. But for the film, I've already cut those things off. So your wheels are right here. They're in the baskets. So I have it upside down right now. Let's turn it up like this. So all you have to install are 2 wheels, which is pretty awesome. Here's the wheel. Where am I? Here we are. Right here. So this is the button that you will push when you remove the wheel. But right now, all you have to do is click it in. Let me do it on the other side. Take that off. Now, put it on its front end. You get your book. Let me turn it this way. Okay, so you have your latch right here to keep it closed. So you just want to undo that, lift the handle. I had it backwards. Ta-da! This is the Boot X2. Double the storage space. Let's take these off. So you just have a bit of styrofoam around things. And there you go. Isn't she beautiful? Check her out. So you have double the space. You used to, here's the boot. Let's compare. So really, it's 2 boots next to each other pretty much, which is awesome. You get double the space. This one holds up to 122 pounds, which is amazing. This one holds up to 70 pounds. I'm going to push this one over. We're going to concentrate on this one. You still have your mesh baskets that release by the magnet. Super easy. To line that up, and they click right on. So both mesh baskets are included, and they both hold up to 55 pounds each. You have more room underneath. Amazing. Sorry. What else? What else do we have, Veronica? It's pretty self-explanatory, but it's a beauty.
So what accessories can be used with
So we have the new, what is this called? The insulated tote. And it's pretty amazing. You can use it for hot or cold. So if you wanted to have one of these and one of these, you can have either or. So if you're going to the store, you put your cold items in here, your dry goods in here, and you're good to go.
Great for travel.
Mm-hmm.
stuff you need to move from one place to the other.
Yes. If you live in...
People ask about fitting through doorways.
Oh, that's right. Yes. This does fit through doorways. Perfectly fine. No problems through the doorways. It still has its linked brake. Very nice. And to close it, it's pretty much the same way. You just have a wider handle here. So you're going to have this little slidey part right here. You're going to push over, push the button in. I forgot you can't you can't fold it with the bag in. But the mesh bags you can. And it has a standing fold, guys. So it helps it stay clean from all the dirty floors. So this is our Boot X2. We're super excited. It's available on Joovy.com right now. Go and get one. Its price is $3.99. And you need one. It's the product you didn't know you needed, for real. Like, I have a regular boot, and I think I need a double now. So thank you guys for joining us today. We appreciate it. You'll find all our products on Joovy.com, of course. Keep an eye out for our new National Parks collection, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.